Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video gonna continue. We're gonna continue our Hdbw application procedure part 2. And today we will be showing you how to fill in the choice of study, start of study, personal information, school and previous training, upload the documents and submit the application. In the previous video, in 2 videos, at first video we already talked about Hdbw application requirement analysis video in that website. Then we started our application video where we first part we went to Hdbw application or online official page of this particular course, and we also get to know the more requirement analysis, and we got to know that the course has been divided into part-time, full-time. If you're doing full-time, then it is 3 semester. If you're doing part-time, it is 5 semester. But if you want to do full-time, then also it is dependent upon your degree program of your bachelor, how you have studied. If it is matching their degree, then it will be 3 semester. Otherwise, then you have to also do one pre-masters. But in order to get rid of this, if you have at least 3 years of experience, then this pre-masters will be cancelled. Then you can do 3 semester. But the course complete fees would be around 20,000 or 18,000, or in general 800 euros per month is your full-time fees for each month you have to pay in order to finish this course. Before that, if you are new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis and also we make application videos. In the requirement analysis, we usually make how to check for the German universities, what are the requirements that each German universities need, what are the documents that they usually have, and when is the deadline, what are the requirements that you need to fulfill, and where to apply. After having all this knowledge, when the application deadline is in, then if the application is open, I will also show you how to apply in step-by-step procedure. That's what we are doing now. Then upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply for you, then you can always contact me via email, or you can also become a YouTube member. Then I can also make a session with you and I can also apply for you, and then it will be always. Now, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, we will be filling the application and submitting the application. At first, choice of study. So we will be doing our choice of study, master in digital factory operational excellence, full time. Then you can also click on continue, and we will be applying for summer semester, not the winter semester. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, they are telling we have to select a year when we are doing. Then we will be doing in 2026, the next summer semester. That's the plan that we are applying. Then if you click on continue, these are the personal information and contact information that we have to fill in. So I will just fill in these things, then I will show you what are the things that you can fill here. I have took some time and filled in all information with the dummy data, of course. Then in the personal information, it is just straightforward. You have to fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, and nationality. Then in the contact details, usually you will fill in your Indian details, where you are living, street, house number, postcode, city. Then the phone number is always mandatory. Please make sure that you give it. What are the things that they have mentioned in the star mark are compulsory. Then their email address, because they will usually send a email confirmation to your email account. Then school, degree, name of the school that you have done, graduation year, and type of school. So usually here I will give my first, second PUC or PUC details. Then we will also continue and see how and where we can also give our bachelor degree details. Now I have filled in my second PUC details, which name of the school which I got my second PUC or 12th standard is Marimalappa Pre-University College, and graduation year was 2016, and the type of school is higher education entrance qualification, which is HSP. This is the qualification that I got in order to do my bachelor degree. Now we will click on continue, and then they usually ask us to provide the bachelor proof of English language, higher education details, further document, internship, APS, and everything. But I don't know where we can fill in the documents or information about degree, but yeah. So school and previous training is here, and can we add another one, and there is no option to add another one, as they say school degree. And I have to also check in German way, then we will get to know more detail if they are saying what they are saying, because I'm confused. If they are not asking us to give the bachelor degree details, then that school degree, then I will give the bachelor degree details, because usually the best thing for us to put in there is our bachelor information, not the school information. That's the reason I am confused. Then you can also click here again, then fill in all information and click on further. Once you clicked on further, here they say school Abschluss. See, school type here they have given now. So see, this is the thing that I got confused. Here when I click on English, or translate it to English, then you're not seeing this thing. So HSB, then we feel months you have done it. So gymnasium, FOS, BFA, Kainek, and like this. But here I think it should be then the school living information that they are asking. So university entrance qualification, HSB through the professional qualification. If you click there, then how many months you have done the schooling. Then grammar school, vocational, high school, none of the above, and like this. So you can click on none of the above. Name of the school, as I told you, is Marimalappa University College, and graduation year is 2016 when I finished my second PUC, and university entrance qualification is this. So you can also click no, then you can click on further. So here you have to fill in your second PUC, and the bachelor degree details you don't need to fill it, you just have to upload the documents. So we will upload all documents that they are asked, and we will submit the application. I will upload everything, then we will explain everything for you. I took some file, I took some time, then upload everything. So cover letter, it will be your letter of motivation, curriculum vitae in tabular form, which will be your CV. Then you can also want to upload additional file, then you can also click here, additional file you can also upload if you want one or more files to be uploaded. And proof of language skills, I have put English, which is IELTS, and if you want to put also medium of instruction, then you can also put additional document here and fill in your medium of instruction. Then bachelor university studies, we put in bachelor degree certificate and bachelor of degree transcript and other document, which will be module handbook, internship and full-time experience. Now as we have not filled in our 12th details or 12th and transcript, so I will give the additional document file. Then here I will upload my 12th standard document, so that it will have everything included in our document section. So please make sure that you will also fill in 12 details. Then in induction, so introduction, so usually it is also you have to fill in your APS. So in the additional documents, please give your APS documents, otherwise it will be for sure rejected, because APS is mandatory for everyone. So I guess please mention your APS document also. Now after uploading everything, please click on Writer. Once you clicked on Writer, then you can easily check everything, whatever the things that you have filled is correct or not. So we have selected digital. So we have selected digital factory and operational excellence full time, the summer semester 2026, and these are the personal information that you have filled in. Yashwant Gowda Satish, that's my full name. Then you also see the country of birth, name of nationality. So it has been wrong, so you have to edit if it is changed or like that. Then your address, number and your email address, etc. Then in the school previous education that you have filled in, Marimalappa University 12th standard, because we didn't had anything to add there. That's the reason we have not filled in the bachelor details. And here in uploaded documents, we have uploaded everything whichever we need: cover letter, curriculum vitae, APS, bachelor degree, proof of English language, everything we have prepared. Then first to become aware, you can also click on where did you get this information about learning in Hdbw, then recommendation from any of the student, then message from Hdbw. After filling all these things, you can also click on dispatch, then your application will be submitted. But as I told you, based on my experience, this website, when you are translating from German to English, it is acting so weird. They have to take care that. But yeah, that's the reason, and I have showed you how to apply. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to apply for this particular private university, you can go ahead and apply. But yeah, take it in your mind that it will be costing you 20,000 euros to complete course. So see you in next videos, where I talk about any other requirement analysis and finish everything. Then I schedule and I'll be going to India for vacation. So see you in next videos. Until then,